So as you can see on this piece of glass, we have a tempering logo. So our Microforce disc will also work great for removing this type of logo, or logos on windshields, or logos on annealed plate glass, insulated glass, windows and doors. There are a couple of different types of logos, but this particular type is a sandblasted. There are also ceramic buildup, and there are some other kind of more superficial types as well. Since this is a sandblasted, typically the sandblast and the ceramic ones, you need to use a slightly more aggressive disc. On the ones that are really just kind of a paint or superficial acid etch, you could start with the 360, but in this case we will start with the 180 and then continue on to the 500. Now we are going to use the 2-inch disc, the 2-inch Microforce disc here, and along with the water feed system, and we're just going to polish a much smaller area. In this particular area we're not as concerned about distortion because it is such a small area that's not exposed to typically to your line of sight. And we'll go ahead and start that process. Again, kind of wetting the disc, making sure it's good and wet so it'll bite onto the glass, and then we'll get it rolling. Okay, that logo is now gone, so we'll clean the surface. Make sure we got a nice consistent edge. And then we'll swap it out for the 500 grit Microforce 2-inch disc. Again, soaking the disc. And then we're going to polish just the edges and the center. Okay, so now we'll clean the surface again, and we will continue on to the clearing compound just like we did with the scratch removal. And once we've got that on there, then we're going to go ahead and start. And we should be good to go. There we go, logo is now fully removed.